This is a blot on all legislators, including men, sir.
Yes, yes.
This is not a house where men come in ताकि किसी औरत की आंखों में झांका.
How Gujarat High Court seeks to protect the rights of rape victim in regards to abortion. Is productive and bodily autonomy related?
Access to abortion is desperately needed when pregnancy is a result of rape, both within and outside the marriage, especially when a girl has been raped. The availability of services remains highly restricted because of the way abortions provider interpret the law. We found enormous damages is inflicted on women and girls by misinterpretations of law on abortions and rape, combined with lack of understanding of the serious damages it can cause. Particularly repeated rape alongside other forms of assault and abuses. Domestic laws in India place a clear legal responsibility on healthcare professionals to offer immediate care and assistance to rape survivors, including timely access to abortions. It is past due time for both government and the court to begin to hold themselves accountable for ensuring this care is provided. In India, the medical professions has failed to keep up with the scientific, medical and technical advances carrying out an abortion safely after a gestational period beyond 20 weeks. This in turn has limited women's and girls' access to abortion services and lead to denial of those services. There is an urgent need to keep up with the scientific and technical advancement, as well as to educate and guide the healthcare professionals in these crisis times.
Gujarat High Court has recently allowed the termination of a pregnancy that was 19 weeks old, saying that the minor rape survivor cannot be compelled to continue the pregnancy if she is unwilling to do so. It was a historic and significant judgment where the Gujarat High Court allowed the medical termination of pregnancy of a rape victim who was a minor. A single bench of Justice Samr J Dave had ordered the termination of the pregnancy, which was 19 weeks old, and the victim cannot be forced to continue with the pregnancy if she does not want to do so. The remarks came right after the court reviewed the girl's medical report, which was prepared by a panel of doctors of GEMRS Medical College and General Hospital of Vadnagar. As per the report, the court had asked the counsel for the applicant to ascertain if the victim's family was willing to go for the abortion despite the health risks involved. The medical counsel also informed the bench that the family wanted to proceed with the pregnancy termination. The court then asked the doctors to proceed with the minor girl's medical termination as soon as possible and instructed the police to take all the necessary steps to accelerate the process. As stated by the judgment, the court has also directed the authorities to preserve the subsequent DNA report by drawing tissues from the fetus to use as essential evidence in the trial. What is the interconnection between productive autonomy and bodily autonomy as observed by the court? The court cited many cases and judgments to back the order and noted that the right to reproductive autonomy is intimately linked with the right to bodily autonomy. During pregnancy, a woman has to experience body swelling, contractions, morning sickness, and restricted mobility among the few side effects. Along with this, many other complications might come. This will pose a risk to the life of the pregnant woman. Bodily autonomy becomes essential here because it is the right of the woman to make decisions regarding her own body. Just a mere design of the adverse effects of pregnancy cannot do justice to the part of forcing women to continue with the unwanted pregnancy. As such, the decision to carry the pregnancy is firmly grounded in the right to bodily autonomy of the pregnant person. The court further observed that the right of autonomy contains the power of every woman to make decisions regarding their productivity, including the decision to terminate the pregnancy. In my opinion, the abortion law in India cannot meet the needs of women who need it most. But not allowing women to have free access to safe abortion, you are leaving women to have only two choices. Either they have to commit suicide or they will undergo emotional and psychological consequences of pregnancy that they are not mentally prepared for. Women do not have access to safe abortions because doctors and women lack awareness of the clarity of the act, which is completely outdated. Please don't forget to like or share or follow for regular updates. Also, please leave a comment to let us know how do you feel about this information. Moreover, please tag your friends or relatives whom you think may relate to this post. For more such updates, please subscribe to your Air News channel and please don't forget to click the bell icon for immediate notifications whenever a new video is uploaded.